everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we are going to review this nail drill, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is how it comes packaged. It comes with a user manual. This is what the main device looks like. Right there. This feels like super lightweight. This is the drill. And then this is the inside. It kind of has a list of everything that it has inside of it right there, which I will take everything out and show you one by one. Ooh, so it has all of these. Has all of these. This is the cord. This is the plug-in. And this drill right here. Now this, you're going to plug in to the back right here. Right there. Just like that. And then this one right here, you're gonna plug right here. And then plug it in right there. It also has a USB port if you want to charge something up as well. And then you're going to stick it like so. And then this around here, you're going to put whatever bits that you're using, like whatever ones you use the most. Okay, so you have a power button right here. And you're going to turn it on and off like that. And you go forward or reverse right there. So when you're using this, you're just going to twist this over right there, and that's going to allow you to pull that out. And then you're just going to stick this in and then lock it in place. You see that's not going to be able to move. And then when you're not using it, you can set it down like that. And then you just go like that. And then if you need it to go slower, you just go like this. And then I do have a little area right here that needs to be filed down. So as you can see, it's able to smooth it out with no issues whatsoever. So you can also, like if you got glue stuck underneath your nail, I like to take these and kind of go over it once I'm done applying my nails. I just applied these, so right before I got this. So you can go up underneath your nails like that and just kind of clean it up. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.